Hello all you lovely healthy family. Today we are making a healthy lentil bread. This soft and hearty lentil bread is made without eggs, wheat flour or dairy, making it a perfect healthy bread option for toast, sandwiches and meal prep.
Welcome! Today we're making a delicious lentil bread sandwich. It's packed with healthy fillings and only 90 calories per slice. Let's get started.
First, let's soak our red lentils. Just pour them into a bowl. We'll cover them with water later.
Now, let's blend the red lentils until smooth. Just press the button. Perfect. It's ready.
Toast the pumpkin seeds for extra crunch and flavor. Transfer the lentil paste into a bowl. This gives us a smooth base for our dish. Add all the healthy ingredients and mix everything together. Let the dough rest so the psyllium can absorb moisture. Place the dough in a loaf pan and finish with sesame seeds on top. Bake until golden and beautifully set. Let's make a delicious, healthy filling for our sandwich. This makes the perfect, healthy, protein-packed sandwich.
Alright, that's it for today. Doesn't this look amazing? If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.